Welcome, everyone. I am Alex Falz, and this is the inaugural session of the Falz Start program. You have chosen a path that few dare to tread. Whether you are here to master the timeless art of metal roofing or to modernize your professional toolkit with the advancements of the hybrid Falz ecosystem, you are in the right place. My mission is to bridge the gap between traditional craftsmanship and the precision of the future. We will explore the rigorous standards of the industry, learn to respect the material, and build structures that will stand for centuries. The foundation of the craft. The history of our trade is etched into the metal we shape. The aesthetics of professional metalworking are defined by the connections between the pans, the falls, the seam. This technique is as old as the processing of copper sheets in building history. A prime example is the roof of the Hildesheim Cathedral, with parts dating back to 1280, which already exhibited the classic characteristics of seam roofing. It was technically so perfect that it remains the foundation for modern metalworking today. Understanding Dishata. To work with metal, you must speak the language. We refer to the prepared and installed sheets as the panels, Dishata. Throughout the centuries, especially since the diversity of forms in the Baroque era, a multitude of variations of the original Stehfalz, standing seam, have evolved. The seam technique allows for the fastening of the pans to one another and, by means of integrated hafta, cleats, to the roof substrate. By employing different types of seams, cutting patterns, and alignments, we unlock a vast range of design possibilities. Through appropriate cutting, stretching, shrinking, folding, and bending, cladding almost any building geometry becomes possible without technical or formal failures. The Falz Start methodology. My teaching approach is methodical. We begin with theory, move to Papiersimulatoren, paper simulators, progress to the universal roofing trainer, and finally graduate to working with metal. Learning with templates. We utilize Falzschablonen, folding templates. The paper practice. Paper helps you understand the geometry of a node, which is the first step in mastering the metal. German precision. We learn both the craft and the terminology simultaneously. We use terms like die Schade, the panels, der Saum, the hem, and die Kantung, the folding. Understanding these terms is standard for high-level roofing. The 40-day intensive, Falz Start. Falz Start is a 40-day intensive program designed for those who have passed our professional selection. We do not accept everyone. The filter is strict. Out of 20 candidates, only 2 typically remain. This ensures only the most motivated and capable masters move forward. Professional assessment. The journey begins with a free introductory lesson. This is your test of professional suitability to see if you can transform knowledge into skill. Technical requirements. You must have a carpentry workshop of at least 25 square meters to install the universal roofing trainer. The honor code. During your first free consultation, you will sign the 7 commandments of the Falz Master. This is our code of honor, the absolute stop sign for hacks, greedy operators, and scammers. Terms and structure. Investment. The program cost is $2,500. This covers a group of up to 3 people. Flexibility. You learn from anywhere in the world, 24/7 at your own pace. Daily practice. A minimum of 2 hours of daily work on the universal roofing trainer is mandatory. Strict control. You must submit photo and video evidence for every node. You cannot advance to the next lesson until the previous one is approved. Each check costs $35, and private consultations are available at $25 per hour. The bonus. For top students who excel, I will teach you how to build your own Falz AI to modernize your workflow. Final thoughts. This is not for those who want to try. This is for those who want to become the best. You will learn using identical manuals in German and English, immersing yourself in the true global standard of the craft. If you are ready to commit, sign the code, set up your trainer, and let's get to work. You are building history. Are you ready to proceed with your free consultation and sign the 7 commandments of the Falz Master?